to come out here and just to tell y'all what we saw. We actually got there probably around 11 o'clock that night on the 27th. I don't think anybody could actually be prepared for what we did see. Everybody that you see on the TV said it would be hard to describe. It was actually hard to describe. It's going to be hard for me to describe because it was hard for us to comprehend what we actually did see. I'm sure everybody here has seen destruction, natural disasters, tornadoes, and it's probably affected, one or two houses on the street or maybe a block on the street. This affected whole neighborhoods. It took out city blocks. When they were giving us, telling us exactly what happened when we got there, if you can picture Tuscaloosa, it's not a real big county. It entered the lower left-hand corner, and it was half a mile wide. And when it left the county, it was up to 3/4 of a mile wide, and it stretched 5 miles long. We only saw the downtown area, but the destruction was just catastrophic. If you can imagine living in a neighborhood like Delray, Spring Valley, any area like that, just going into the dead center of it and spinning around 360 and not even seeing a distinguishable house. There were some lower income projects that we went to the first night to where there were individuals that the house really wasn't livable, but there were people still living there because they absolutely didn't have anywhere else to go. By the middle of the next day, the Red Cross was set up. They were giving out food, bottled water, and helping out any way they possibly could. During that event, it was even something like that. It probably meant a lot to those people. Like I said, it's hard to even describe, but you're talking I can't imagine what the people were going through, and any amount of help that they could get or have gotten is probably well needed, because you're looking at, you woke up one morning and you had everything that you worked your life for, and then the next morning everything's gone. You didn't have a neighbor that you could go talk to and get anything because their house was gone as well. You couldn't go a block over to get anything because guess what? Their stuff was gone too. So there wasn't anybody to lean on or anybody to turn to, because probably everybody that you knew in that general area, they were in the same boat that you were in. So, but anyway, that's about all. Appreciate your time.